Everybody, we're here in Northern Hills. We're visiting the aftermath of last night's tornado. I'm about to take you along the route that the tornado crossed through the neighborhood. Well, at least through this part of the neighborhood. So, start with that house. And you can kind of see it zigzagged around at this house coming here. And back over here. That one got hit pretty bad. Golly. And then it must have jumped back across the street here to this one. And then I guess it zigzagged back across the street because it hit this house. And then it kind of zigzagged back this way, tore down that fence as it made its way down Bellcrest. Full speed ahead, down. Now the cleanup's already started since early this morning, but last night it was insane. It was really insane. We had hail, lots of rain. Man, the winds were strong. I was fighting a tarp. It felt like it was gonna take me with it. So sounded like a freight train coming through here last night. Real quick, but did its damage and kept going. So here we go. Kept going through here. Wow, I'm not sure. So I left this side alone. But here we go. Continuing its path down this side. It starts getting a little ugly coming up here, so just to let you know. Now, this is where the fences started coming down. Let's slow down here so you can take a look at. I don't really know what happened here, but fence, multiple fences. Pretty bad. Yeah, zip back over here. Greenhouse. More destruction. Speed bumps. Speed bumps. Careful. So, the front of the house here. So, we came over this way. Left all that alone over there. And zip back around to this. Whoa. This one's pretty bad. Oh, there's a street sign. So, look at that. So I guess it decided to jump back across the street because it tore through there. And then bounced over that house, or somehow it made it around that house without causing any damage. Then it hits the front. Oh, jeez. We got all sorts of damage, devastation. We got railroad ties on top of houses. This house is pretty bad. Then just zip it back across the street and I hit this house. Now this tree right here, I can't even lift it. I tried, I can't even make it budge. Somehow it got over here. Didn't even come from any of these, but somehow it made its way over here. Now, there's our house, 2 houses down. We barely missed it, or it barely missed us, because this tree's toast. And it zipped back around. I came across this way. And if you see in the distance there, it got a little hungry and decided to take the whole house. But in its way, it's zigzagging back and forth, and by far multiple people said they saw it right as it was going on. And then we got more destruction and damage through here. Lots of activity out here. And then look at this. Yeah, I'm having fun. And there's Laura, my daughter. Love you, baby. Oh, concrete cement blocks gone. Fence gone. We'll continue to walk down the path. We'll walk in the path of the tornado all the way from. Yeah. Jeez. Man. Continue to go through here. It kind of ended here. Ripped all that house apart and kept going. That's about as far as I'm going to go on the walk. I did keep going on to the elementary school, tore through the power lines. The whole neighborhood doesn't have power still. We're out. But as you can see, it was pretty bad. There's a mailbox. It was right there. I spotted it right. There it is, right over there. There it is, folks. That's one small part of the damage that it did to the neighborhood last night. And thank goodness it decided to miss our house right over there. All right. Have fun. See you later. Hope you enjoyed it.